Hello everyone, hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to install Firefox browser on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install the Linux desktop version of Firefox browser, first of all we have to set up Linux development environment. To set up Linux, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, scroll down, click on About Chrome OS. Here scroll down to developers option and here you'll find Linux development environment option. Simply set up it. So we already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. Once the Linux development environment is set up on your Chromebook, click on App Launcher icon, look for Terminal application and open it. Now click on Penguin option to access the terminal interface. Using it, we are going to install Firefox browser. First of all, we have to update our Linux packages. To update the packages, simply type sudo apt update, then hit enter key and wait for the process to complete. After that, we have to type sudo apt upgrade, then hit enter key. And if you get a prompt, do you want to continue? Simply type Y and hit the enter key and wait for the upgrade process to complete. After that, simply type sudo apt-get installed firefox-esr, then hit enter key and here type Y, then hit enter key and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you can simply close the terminal. Now click on App Launcher icon, look for Linux apps folder, open it, and here you will find your Firefox browser. Simply click on the icon to open the application. After that, you will get Firefox welcome screen. If you want to import data from your previous browser, then you can simply select this box or else uncheck the box, then click on Save and Continue. If you want, you can also skip this step. Finally, click on Start Browsing. Here we have the full-fledged Firefox browser. So that's it. This is how you can install Firefox browser on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.